Hi, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to prep your natural nail for any enhancements or gel polishes to go on. So I've removed my polybuild nail here, and the first thing I would do after I've sanitized my client's hands and my hands too, I would firstly go in with my cuticle pusher. So on this side we have the cuticle pusher, and on this side we have the cuticle knife. These are available on the Halo website. So first I'm just going to go in and I'm going to push my cuticle back nice and gently, and removing any dead skin cells on the natural nail plate too, making sure I get right in the corners. So once I'm happy that I've pushed all them back, I'm going to use my cuticle knife and circular motions from one side. And I'm just going to scrape off anything that's left on the nail plate. Having a neat cuticle, nice and tidy, not only will it make your gel polish and all your other systems last longer, will also make the finished result nice and neat. If there was any cuticle stuck on my nail plate and I was putting a gel polish over the top of it, in the next couple of days we'd find some lifting around this area. So once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to use my push brush just to wipe over. I'm just going to have a closer inspection and make sure that I've removed all down the sides and all down this side too. So the next process, after I'm happy with the removal of my cuticles, I'm going to use my Halo Elite nail file and I'm going to etch over the top of my nail plate. So I'm going to use this curved area here to go around my cuticle. So just give it a nice light file over, making sure that you cover all of the area of the nail. We want to make sure that we remove all of the excess surface oil off the nail. To ensure that our product lasts longer. So again, I'm going to use my push brush and I'm going to remove any nail dust up there. Then I'm going to use my Halo Prep and Scrub. So this also acts as a dehydrator. So you can either spray it on your fingernail and use your push brush to scrub in, or you can squirt it on our Halo Elite nail wipes and use this to rub in. So now I'm just checking over my nail to make sure that all of it has a chalky appearance. So I want to make sure that there's no shiny bits on my nail. If there's any shiny left on, you can just repeat the process of filing over the top of your nail. Removing any dust again. So once I'm completely happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and shape my nail. So I'm either going to shape it into the shape that your client desires, or for this I'm going to file my nail right down because I'm going to be fitting a form in the next video. So I'm going to go from one side to the middle, then from the next side to the middle again. Making sure we don't do the backwards and forth motion. Removing any dust. So that is my nail fully prepped. As you can see, very chalky. So there is no oil left on my nail plate. And that is all done for the next step. Thank you.